Hello, Carol Rive here. I just want to do a quick um, overview on my traffic page. Okay, this is my sales page of the funnel. Okay, to get to it, you of course have to opt in, which means you get on my list. If you decide that the funnel's not for you, just simply opt out. Okay, it's not a problem. And this explains the funnel and how it can benefit you. This goes over GDI, the $10 miracle. Step 1 is sign up for GDI. You get a free 7-day trial. Step 2 is your Leads Leap marketing system. It is important. If you want the marketing system, you need to get Leads Leap. That's where your 300 days worth of email series is. So Leads Leap is $27 to $28, I want to say now. That is a bargain considering you get your autoresponder, you get share codes so that you can upload the capture pages, upload the bridge page, the sales page. This is the sales page right here. You can tweak this to do what you want, but I wouldn't tweak it too much. This is a really good traffic source right here. I keep that upgraded. I keep that always, okay? And then my other traffic resources here are budget friendly. I've set it till I'm blue in the face, and I will say it longer. These are budget friendly traffic resources that I have found over the years that have converted and done well, okay? Okay, the first one we're going to go over, this is Mailer Gold. This is a must, this one. That's why this is first. This is a one-time $18 cost, and you can email out to people every 3 days, I believe it is. Every time I send out an email to this, and you get, it's a buyer's list of over 3,000 people. I get opt-ins all the time, and opt-ins lead, are leads, and they lead to sales over time. It's growing your list, okay? This is a one-time $18 cost. That is a must, okay? This one is a safe list. This is called European Safe List. This is only $7 a month. And I believe, right now, that when you get the pro upgrade of $7 a month, you actually get a complimentary upgrade in their other safe list, which is what I got. So I don't know how long that's going to last for. So if you're not in European Safe List, you need to be in that. If you're looking for inexpensive ways to grow your list and to get advertising, okay? This is the best that I have found. All right. Now, Infinity Traffic Boost is a great one. I've tried the Traffic Exchange and I've tried the mailer. I like the mailer best. Okay, now I upgraded, and I don't remember what price it was, but I upgraded so that I can email 3,000 people every 3 days. So whichever cost that is. And this is 100% clicks. This is a one-time $25 cost. I am doing my best to help everybody be able to afford traffic so that you can get going with less than $100 a month and then be earning commissions and going. Now, you're going to need to be doing some free advertising too. Maybe social media, making posts on Facebook. I just started posting in the Facebook group. I've decided to do like one Facebook post. Maybe I won't be able to do it every day, but I'd like to do one like maybe 3 to 4 times a week so that you can post that either on your timeline or in a Facebook group or something like that. Okay? And so this is a one-time $25. You get to email out to 1,000. Okay? If you can only do one, do this one. If you can only do 2, do this one and this one. Okay, if you're able to afford anything more, do this one, and I'm going over this one right now. I am a diamond member in this, which means I took a one-time upgrade and bought traffic. Okay, but once the traffic you've bought is gone and some of the traffic is solo ads, you can click then to get more advertising free solo ads. But you need time to be able to do this one if you're going to do it free. These solo ads are only $15 each ad. That's a really good price, and I just sent one out with the funnel, and I got a response that I was happy with. I need to do more, though. I need to do more. Remember what I've said about when you're advertising, you're building momentum. When you stop advertising, if you miss a day or 2 days or 3 days, okay, you break your momentum. It's like a rock that's rolling down. No, picture a snowball rolling down the hill. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, if it rolls and rolls and all of a sudden it runs out of snow and hits grass, the snowball is going to get dirty. It's not going to get any bigger. It might even crumble and fall apart. Okay, that's the way advertising is. It needs to grow. You need to consistently scale it. You need to advertise and continue to advertise more. When you find advertising that is working for you, you advertise more of it, whether it means you doing more free advertising with it or if it means you, okay, because it's like that big snowball. You continue advertising daily, daily, daily. It can feel monotonous sometimes. You may be advertising and it may feel like nobody on the whole internet is listening to you. And nobody is opting in, nobody's hearing nothing, and then all of a sudden you get some opt-ins. And then that's great, you're excited about that. And then you go a little long, and then you start getting discouraged again because all you're getting is opt-ins, and then you get a sign-up. And then maybe a couple months later, you get another sign-up, and then another sign-up, and it starts to snowball. But you got to get it to the point to where it's snowballing like that, okay? And these are the best for right here. And of course, if you had joined GDI, there's a way to join GDI. This is rotator hands-free traffic. This traffic here is $5, $10. You just enter your URL and they send traffic to it. Now, each one, and I'll let you look at that some other time, they don't send a lot of traffic. They send a little bit of traffic, okay? So this, it's slower. I'm just telling you. Of course, for $5 a month, $10 a month, okay? And this wholesale premium, I've used this so many times. I love this company, and I love these solo. This is a solo ad vendor, but their prices are really good. So you look at this when you can afford it and scale up. This gets you opt-ins, and this will get, I mean, I can't guarantee that it's going to get you sales, but this does really, really well. I'm happy with this, okay? And then there's Udemy, which is solo ads. They rate vendors, and then you can pick. I do this. This is where my go-to is what I do. But for right now, I'm focusing on putting videos out there, putting content out there, social media on Facebook out there, Twitter, do LinkedIn. I think I've done one article so far in LinkedIn, so I'm also thinking about putting articles in the Facebook group. I'm going to put Facebook posts that everyone can use in the Facebook group. I'm going to do at least, like I said, 2 or 3 of them a week and put them in there so that, you know, you can use whatever you'd like, or you can tweak them. I want to put it's called X, a tweet in there so people can use that in case you're on Twitter. If you want to do TikTok video and you want a script, let me know. I will send you one. Okay? It's just to give you an idea of get going. Build that momentum. Okay? Always think of your advertising as momentum. You need to continue building and continue advertising every day, every day, every day. Don't stop. You need to be focused on your funnel because that's your list. Your list is your asset. That's your greatest valuable asset is your list. Okay? And then in this funnel, there's 15 income streams. So you're not just earning from GDI. Why people don't get that. I'm sure you understand. Some are like, so you only earn $1 from GDI? Well, you're $1 5 levels deep and infinitely wide, and you're getting a funnel of value and 15 income streams besides GDI. And a funnel that does the selling and telling for you with budget-friendly traffic so you don't have to guess where to advertise. Okay? And I want to work on some free advertising. These traffic co-ops are good, but because you're watching this video, I'm going to tell you a secret. The login ads are better. There's a login ad for this one. I think it's $2 a day. I think it might be that. Maybe it's more. I don't remember. I think it might be $2.50 a day. And this one, I don't remember, but it might be $5 a day. I forget what they are, but they're really reasonable priced. A login ad is just simply when anybody logs in to this company, and there's thousands of people in these, the first thing they see is your website will come up. Okay? For free traffic, this is a good traffic exchange. Just understand you're going to have to be sending a lot of traffic when you do free. Okay? I'm going to work on getting more free traffic, but the best free traffic is social media. So if you hate social media, then post on Facebook. If you don't like posting on Facebook, then use Twitter, use LinkedIn, do videos. That if you really want to make this go, figure out TikTok. Do shorts on YouTube. Okay? That's the best way to do this. Okay? And get your funnel out there and get it growing, build momentum. Your videos will be out there forever building momentum for you and getting your content out there while you're playing with your grandkids, spending time with your family, doing the things you love and you want to do. Okay, let this funnel build for you. Okay? And so that's that. And this, I'm always going to be adding to it. I'm always going to be changing it. This is my email. Now, there's no guarantee you're going to have the same success. Okay, like I said, I've been building momentum. It's been over a month, maybe 2 months now. Time flies when you're having fun. Okay? But this works. If you work it. Those traffic things that I put back, those traffic resources work. Okay? Videos work and videos are free. Okay? Okay. Alexa just told me it's time for bed, so I better get going. You take care. God bless. And if you have any questions, just post them below this in the comment section. I'd love to see them. Okay? And go right ahead and click below this video, the link, opt in and see how the system works for yourself firsthand. Okay? Okay.